Hello guys, I am Essa, and you are watching Essa Tech Room. In this video I am going to show you that how can you convert your body to real rock or bricks. So, let's start to the video. First of all, you need to follow this link to download the zip file. You can find this link in description. Download it and extract the file. Now drag the back image to the Photoshop. Then press F9 command to open the action bar. Then drag these two files in the action bar. And create a new layer. But remember, layer name must be brush. Then select the polygonal lasso tool. Now, it's time to select the body parts, which we want to convert in rock. Let's select all the body except the face. But in your case, you can select any part or anything you want. Now it's selected. Now we need to choose the brush tool, fill the selection with the brush. Now open the action bar again. And select the number 1. And play the action. Press on continue. Now it's time to select the pattern. I am going to select this one. And click on OK. Now click on stop. And that's it. Now you can see that the body part has been converted to a real looking rock. But that's not over yet. Let's check with the bricks the same way. Press on continue. Just this time we are going to select the bricks pattern. Now click on stop. And look how amazing this is. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification on all the interesting videos I am going to post.